Morning. Wanted to show you what a shower looks like here at a Pilot. Most of them are pretty nice, so I'm going to show you what this one's like this morning. You got a little pin kit pad on the wall. You got to put your pin in to get in. They give it to you when you get your receipt.
Shower customer. Your shower is now ready. Please proceed to shower.
Got some hooks on the wall. Private toilet. And shower. This one's got a door on it. Usually they don't have a door. I mean, they're nice. Then you usually just have a they're a little bit bigger than this so that you don't have to have a door, but nice shower heads too. Usually good water pressure. More hooks. Hang your stuff on. They always got this fan up on the wall. Got a power outlet. A decent sized sink. Little stool you can sit on when you're done. And then they give you a towel, a bath mat, and a wash rag. So, and honestly, even though this one's pretty nice still, this is a smaller one that I've been in the Pilots. But that's it. Shower to truck stop. This is the Pilot off of exit 60, 75 South, Georgia.